Right, this is a video about Binance Exchange, how you can trade your coins. Right, a few weeks ago I did videos on how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and how to open up a wallet. And now when you've got Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can send it to exchanges and then you can trade it for other coins and make a profit. Alright, this is Binance Exchange. Okay, before I go on, if you watch the whole video and you subscribe here at the bottom, and you like my video, please leave your comment below as well as your ERC20 address, and I will send you some TDN coins. I did an airdrop and I have a lot of it and I want to distribute it to the community. So if you watch the whole video, there you can and subscribe, you can get a few DDN coins. Alright, on Binance Exchange, I could show you how to trade. Alright, when you have your Bitcoin and Ethereum, you can go to funds, you can click on deposit, and there you will get to the other page that will, you can select any token, let's say Bitcoin, and it will give you an address or a QR code, and you can copy it into your wallet and then you can send Bitcoin to this exchange. Alright, when you get to the exchange and you have it, Bitcoin Ethereum in it, or you saw there with your credit card, you can put on money, then you can start buying other coins. Alright, just take you through, if you want to buy, you have Bitcoin, let's take ZIL, ZIL, Zilliqa. Right, now you can either use Bitcoin to buy Zilliqa or you can sell Zilliqa. Alright, I have 200 of Zilliqa. Then you can use different methods here using this chart. Some use Fibonacci and they've got all this series that's in depth, but I'm not gonna go into that now. You can see here it is spiking very nicely. They went to the top and now it's going down a bit again in price. You will see here at the left hand side it went down. Alright, here's all the orders, everything that you can work through as well. Alright, and when you want to, let's like sell Zilliqa, you put in, then it will say max amount 200 because I only have 200 of it, and you can get it either by 25% or 50, 75 or 100, and then you just click on sell Zilliqa and then it will place an order here at the bottom, and when it is filled it will go through. Yes, all my orders for last 25 hours if you have any. Alright, you can also do it with Ethereum if you rather. I like using Ethereum a bit because it's a bit quicker to go into the exchange. So if I see a spike somewhere and I want to do a quick trade, I transfer Ethereum quickly to this exchange and then I can use it. Alright, it uses the same. You can either use Ethereum to buy Zilliqa or you can sell your Zilliqa. Alright, you can use the prices that you can use, either a bit more, a bit less, depends on when you're gonna buy it or sell it, and you can put in 200 as well if you put in there, and you can sell it. There is a minimum limit that you have to fulfill. If it is not enough, it will say up here it is not enough, and then you can't sell it or buy. Alright, that is a quick overview. Remember, I will leave links below if you didn't see the how to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. I will leave links here to my YouTube channel and to those videos that you can go and watch it. Please subscribe and like the video. Alright, have a good day.